Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share a DIY face scrub for sensitive skin. This is an amazing home remedy for face scrub. For this face scrub, the main ingredient is coffee. There are many benefits of using coffee as a face scrub. Coffee works as a gentle exfoliator because it is not harsh on the skin. Coffee makes the skin very smooth and bright. It helps to reduce puffiness in different parts of the skin. It also helps in promoting blood circulation. It also has a lot of anti-tanning benefits. So let's get started with the DIY. But before you apply and before you get started, make sure that you're wearing an old t-shirt and you're not wearing any jewelry. If you're wearing any jewelry, just take it off. For this DIY, you'll need 1 teaspoon of coffee. Next, you will need 1 teaspoon of sugar. In this mixture, you have to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can add olive oil. Then mix it well. Stay tuned till the end of this video to see the final results. Okay, so I've made a paste like this. You can add a little bit of water, but if you want it to be a thick paste, then just leave it like this. Now I'm going to start applying it all over my face, concentrating mostly around the nose area. While scrubbing, make sure that you are very gentle. I have increased the speed of the video so that it does not become too long. But I was applying it very gently, concentrating mostly on the nose area because that is where a lot of blackheads and whiteheads are formed and there are pores. So need exfoliation mostly around that area. I'll keep it for 10 minutes and then wash it off. Now I have rinsed it off and this is how my face is looking right now. Okay, that is it from this video. If you like this video, please do leave a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do check out my other videos from the description box below and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.